How to upload local file to server through Linux terminal. I am trying to upload local files to server by using putty or SSH, but not getting upload there. Is there any direct method to upload file from local to server from Linux terminal without using FTP etc.?
Sure. Use SCP secure copy like this. Of course, replace the bracketed source file, username, and destination server to match your local settings. So if the file was cool_stuff.txt and your username on the remote server is Sanjeev and the destination server is example.com, the command would be. And the source could also be remote, so you could do this to do the opposite of the above example. That command would copy the remote file cool_stuff.txt to whatever local directory you are in. And if you are doing this with multiple files, just use a wildcard asterisk symbol like you would for a normal cp command. Also, the dot just indicates the immediate directory path, such as the one you are in right at the moment you run the command, or the immediate path that the remote user on the destination server has. But you could also specify a path like in the local to remote example. Or the remote to local example right here. Now if the remote server does not allow SSH and only SFTP, then SFTP is the way to go. But SCP is very useful when you want to just toss a file and not do the whole SFTP process manually from the command line.
To add on to Jake's answer, you could specify a location, instead of just dot, to copy to by adding the path at the end of the URL as.
When login to remote server is through SSH key, we can use iflag to pass our key to the server. Syntax. identity_file selects the file from which the identity, private key, for public key authentication is read. This option is directly passed to SSH. 1.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.